Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the best products out there. Today, we have something truly special for all the audio enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the Bingfu FM radio dipole antenna, hands down the best AM/FM antenna for your stereo receiver indoors. Whether you're a home theater system aficionado, or just love crisp, clear FM radio reception, this product is a game changer. The Bingfu FM radio dipole antenna is designed to enhance the FM radio signal in your home stereo receiver, ensuring that you get a more stable and high-quality signal than ever before. It's a great addition to your home audio setup if you're looking to improve your reception for a variety of systems, including some of the biggest names in the industry. From Yamaha to Bose, and from Onkyo to Marantz, this antenna is compatible with most popular indoor radio and home theater receivers, so you won't have to worry about compatibility issues. Let's take a closer look at the features. This antenna has a 75 ohm impedance and comes with a universal connector that's designed to fit seamlessly with a variety of audio systems. It comes equipped with a 10-foot coaxial extension cable, giving you plenty of flexibility when it comes to placement. If you're trying to position the antenna in a way that maximizes reception, the extended cable ensures you can easily move it around without any hassle. The antenna's connector interface uses a standard F-type plug, and it includes 3 different connector adapters. One for TV female sockets, one for a 3.5mm audio plug, and another for a TV male plug. So no matter what type of setup you have, the Bingfu FM radio dipole antenna has you covered. Installation is a breeze. The antenna comes with adhesive mounting options, so you can easily attach it to any wall, giving it a discreet and secure placement. No drilling or complex setup required, just stick it and you're good to go. The adhesive is strong enough to keep it in place, but also easy to remove if you need to reposition it. Plus, it's built to withstand temperatures from -20°C to +80°C, so it's reliable even in different environments, from chilly basements to warmer attic spaces. Now, let's talk about performance. Once this antenna is installed, you'll immediately notice a significant improvement in your FM radio reception. The quality of the signal is crisp, and the sound clarity is just what you'd expect from a premium audio setup. It helps eliminate static and poor reception, making it perfect for those who want to enjoy their radio without interruption. What's even better is that this antenna is not just limited to FM radio, it also works great for AM signals. If you've been struggling with reception on your home stereo or audio system, the Bingfu FM radio dipole antenna will undoubtedly enhance your listening experience. To sum up, the Bingfu FM radio dipole antenna is an essential upgrade for anyone looking to improve their indoor radio reception. It's easy to install, incredibly versatile, and delivers excellent performance for both FM and AM signals. Whether you have a stereo receiver, a home theater system, or any compatible audio device, this antenna will enhance your radio experience with crystal clear sound. If you want to take your audio setup to the next level, this is the antenna you need. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this review helpful and subscribe to Product Critique for more great product insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.